Um, Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my journey in life. So it's 9 o'clock now here guys, 9:05. So kape muna tayo. May ano ako dito, Biko. Sticky rice. Kape. Ang gulo ng bahay. Pagkatapos kong mag-breakfast, mag-ano muna ako, maglilinis ng bahay. Right? Yan, Tapos may isang egg ako. So dito nga tayo guys. Breakfast. Biko. Nung ano pa to, nung New Year. Sarap siya. Lalo yung mukha, yung camera ko. Coffee. Be strong. Lamias Biko eh. Nung ano pa to, nung last New Year. Hindi naman siya nasisira. Kasi inano ko yung coconut milk is inano ko talaga inano ko ng maayos. Namikaan. Itlog. One egg and sticky rice. Guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, and happy Saturday. God bless us. Binili ni Brian. Breakfast ko daw. sticky rice, 1 egg, rice, and dried fish. Lamig.
There's the birds on the bush. See the birds?
Just wait that I will make a video of that. There is a bird over here, guys. Look at here. Oh my god, maybe. What kind of bird is this, Dad?
I don't know, sparrow.
Oh, they are.